If you sit at a desk and you notice that you have low back pain, here is a very simple, easy, inexpensive way of helping to remedy that and keep the curve in your low back to help with better posture while you're working. I'm Dr. Alex Vadan, and here's that tip. So what we're gonna do is, you'll notice she's sitting up, and when she's sitting here, we're gonna take this towel that's rolled up. It's just a normal hand towel. We rolled it up, put a rubber band on each end, and then we're gonna set it right back here. Now what I'm gonna have you do is when you're sitting there, see where's a good place for it to be to help support that curve in your low back. So notice for her, the best spot is right down here, and that's gonna help support that curve in her low back. We hear a lot of times people say, I feel like I have bad posture whenever I'm in my workspace and I'm doing work. This is gonna help support the curve there that's gonna help decrease stress and strain on your low back, as well as help promote better posture while you're working. So when she's sitting here, that's in the right place for her. The thing now that she can do is she can take either another big rubber band or some type of string or something like that and attach it to the chair. Now, once it's attached to the chair, it's always in the right place where you need it, when you need it for your chair, and you can find out if that's gonna be something that's gonna be a simple, easy strategy to help decrease pressure on your low back.